Okay, guys, this is what love looks like if he's happy. What a proud bird. Oh, if he's happy. He's having his hiccups. He's just hanging out. He has one leg pulled up. You can see. Look, one leg is pulled up. And he's just hanging out. Well, I am juicing. What a proud bird. Are you happy? Are you happy? Are you happy? Oh, happy birdie. Guys, this is a bird that looks happy and content. Sitting there. Happy? Are you happy, Brian? Love, is love happy? Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Are you happy? Oh, baby. Oh, love. He's full. He had his dinner. He had his drink. He had his playtime today. He had his cuddle time. No, he's just happy. Happy and tired. Yeah. Happy and tired. Happy and tired, love? Hi, love. Are you happy and tired? Good. Oh. Having hiccups? Having these hiccups? Having baby birdie hiccups? Baby birdie hiccups? Hello? Hi. 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 Hi, love. His crop is full. His leg is up, pulled up. Hi. Hi. Thank you for watching. This is what a happy bird looks like. Majestic, 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 and proud. Thanks for watching. Give us a like. Bye.